Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Solange here. Welcome back. I know you like it. Guys, I really don't know why I'm so hyped. Maybe it's because in today's edition I'll be showing you how I achieved this full look, all this makeup in 5 minutes, including the lashes. In 5 minutes, like I kid you not. Lashes, eyeshadow, blush, highlight, foundation, powder, everything, contour in 5, lipstick in 5 minutes. Like, I don't blame you if you don't believe it, because I wouldn't even believe myself. I couldn't even believe that I would do this in 5 minutes, but like, hey, I did it. So if you want to see how that is done, if you want to see how you can also achieve your full glam makeup in 5 minutes, if you want to see how, you know, those juicy tips, tricks and everything, like how to cheat makeup nature, you know, just cheat your way through and then achieve your full glam, or cut corners and still get your full glam look. Like, you want to be looking like no makeup, there's makeup, full glam, not so full, like get everyone confused, you know, like what's happening, who am I, like, anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'll be giving you guys 3 seconds to do that now, like right now as I'm speaking. So 3 seconds, guys. Done. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. So let's just help a sister grow. Thank you so much for the immense support so far. The love is overwhelming. I appreciate all that. Like, who am I to deserve all this love? Okay, I'm talking too much. Let's get into the video, okay? I hope you are taking care of your mental health, because that is very important. It's the reason why on social media these days there's challenge here, challenge there, challenge left, right and center. But you know, all these things, you know, it's just entertain us, take our minds off what's going on in the world, the pandemic that's going on, you know, just basically keep us sane. You know, is actually good for our mental health, and by God's grace we'll see this phase through. So speaking of challenge, I've been saying the 5 minutes makeup challenge, and I decided to hop on it. I was like, why not? So I kind of devised a means to, you know, cut a lot of makeup steps and just do like a quick glam. But when I saw this challenge, I was like, piece of cake. I do this all the time, but let overconfidence not come and finish my life. Let me not come and fall my hand in case I do, guys. So the first thing I want to do is set my timer. Okay, 5 minutes. I'm going to press the start button. So it's 5 minutes. Hey, tension. Hey. Hey, when it comes to challenge, even if you're doing something over and over again, once it's challenge, anything can happen. I've already finished making mouth, but so I'm going in with my Maybelline foundation, Super Stay. So I just do the dabbing and then I swipe, because blending actually takes time. It does, I won't lie. So I'm just going to swipe. I'm sure 1 minute's already gone. This blend is taking time. Oh. Hey, anyway, I can do this. I got this. So as soon as this is done, the next thing I want to do is okay, go on with my Milani powder in medium, just to highlight, because there's no time. It's 1 minute makeup, so no time for cream contouring. You're just going straight to highlight. So this helps, you know, to brighten the face. Really, it helps, I won't lie. Okay, so next is 5 minutes, guys. Going on with my overall face powder. This one is not easy. I thought I could do this. Next is low lighting with powder in my CoverGirl bronzer. I'll contour my nose. Anyway, next is blush. I just love the effect of blush. Blush is absolutely beautiful. I'd rather even blush than highlight if I have to choose. I love that it warms up the skin, gives it that color. So let's highlight. After making mouth, I'll knock on my forehand. Never. Wow, it's quite a highlight. Okay, next is, let's do small eyeshadow. Mascara. I don't know if I can do this thing now. Lashes, but anyway, on a normal day I don't do lashes. Let me just go straight to brows. Brows, please cooperate. Just feeling the end. You know, when it comes to challenge, everything that is to cooperate with you will now stop cooperating. Okay, not bad. Blend. Lips. Fally Cosmetics lipstick. Just brighten the inside. Do the corners. Just blend. I'm surprised. Okay, so let's do lashes. I'm already done. It's just lashes. Not bad. Well, I'm sure this will be a struggle. One lash gone. One more lash. I'm surprised this thing hasn't rang. Oh, time is up. Voila, I did it. Hey. My 5 minutes makeup, guys. I told you, yes. You can actually do your glam in 5 minutes. Anyway, I'm done, guys. What do you guys think of my 5 minutes look? So I challenge you guys to do the same. Try to do it. I mean, something fun. I mean, nothing that's, it's not that serious, it's not that deep, but I tried to do my full makeup in 5 minutes, and this is how it turned out. Please rate me. What do you guys think? I think you can do it too, okay? And that is the end of my 5 minutes makeup story. I hope in this video you were able to learn at least a thing or two. I hope this would come in handy, especially for those of us that are fathers or husbands or whoever will be waiting for us on Sundays to go to church and you want to slay, or they're telling you you look beautiful without makeup. Yes, we all do. Hello. But a little touch up here and there ain't gonna hurt nobody, okay? So I encourage you to try this. I encourage you to share this video. It comes in handy even when you're going late to work, you're going for an event, or you just don't feel like doing anything too dramatic or opening your full makeup box. These very few items can make you achieve that perfect look in 5 minutes. Just look at my face. Tell me this doesn't look like I took so much time to do, but no one's gonna believe that you did it in 5 minutes. But it looks like skin, it looks like my normal day, like there's no drastic change. Even if you feel like you don't want to wear lashes, that's totally fine. You can do this, okay? Just kidding. You can take it off and it's still perfect. You can take your lashes, your falsies off and it's still perfect, or you can tweak it your own style. The basic thing is that you've learned the foundation, and that's all that matters. Share the link, share this juicy information, tell them to subscribe. Only you can be having all these juices. It's not fair. Sharing is caring, remember. Thank you guys. I hope you have an amazing time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Again, I'll say that until you're tired of hearing. Share this channel to your friends, family, or people that you really care about, okay, or people that you want to help change their makeup game, their hair game. This is the channel that they need to be on, okay? All right guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Love you. Mwah.